Good morning, everybody. My name is Joanna, and today I'm going to talk to you about applying quality improvement methods. Why are QI plans developed? The purpose of the Quality Improvement Plan is to provide a formal, ongoing process by which the organization and stakeholders utilize objective measures to monitor and evaluate the quality of services, both clinical and operational, provided to the patients. The aim of a QIP is to help provide self-assesses their performance in delivering quality education and care, and to plan for future improvements. The QIP also helps regulatory authorities with assessing the quality of the service. How do you make sure quality is exceptional at your facility? Here are 5 tips to improve quality fast. Measure and measure some more. Measuring helps to capture quality errors. Measuring these mistakes transparently will bring your team's attention to these issues, and you'll see improvement from the spotlight effect. The team will understand they are important. Focus on process, not people. Every employee comes to work to do a good job. In most cases, the defect is the process, not the person you trust. Remember that. And fix it by adding process steps or new checks to the system. Don't make it a game of who screwed this up. That will deflate the team. Everyone will cower in fear and point fingers without ever getting to the root cause. Meet weekly. Initially, the meetings will be long and tedious. You need to discuss with all the players each quality issue that occurred and get to the root cause. Over time, the meetings will get shorter as processes are straightened and systems get stronger. Confidence will build as people see the systems are catching errors and eliminating heartburn. Create a quality chart. Sort the biggest quality issues by category and focus in on the big issues. Work them till they get to be small issues. Don't focus as much time on the unusual quality issues. Spend your time in the places with the most frequent problems. Make it public. Place your quality results in your nurses station. Everyone should see this is a company emphasis and you want to improve in a transparent way. The daily visual reminder will demonstrate your commitment to quality to the people who impact it every day, which is your team. Healthcare facilities use QI for what reasons? Quality improvement helps to look for ways to improve performance and its process to meet the goals of the organization and those within the organization. Continuous quality improvement is an ongoing process that looks at several areas of the organization beyond just people and processes. CQI also encompasses outcomes, efficiency, and effectiveness of processes. Quality assurance can be used as a program to continuously check standards and ensure specific criteria are being met within the organization. It is said that quality assurance focuses on compliance with a certain set of quality standards. So what exactly will Chaparral Regional Hospital have when using the QI plan? Let's take a look at safeties, for instance. It renders a protective shield that avoids the patients from the injuries for the care. Effectiveness. Basing on the knowledge of the science, the healthcare services are rendered as would be beneficial for the patient and avoid the services that are not profitable. Patient focus. The provided healthcare is a per preferences of any individual patient. The requirements and values of healthcare ensures the patient with precise clinical decisions. Real time. Quality improvement in healthcare reduces the time of lingering, which may sometimes are harmful when delayed. Efficiency. It avoids certain wastes that include effort, idea, supply, as well as equipment. Equitability. Basing on personal characteristics, the rendered healthcare quality mustn't differ. For our conclusion, Quality improvement in healthcare can help you improve your health services for individuals and population to increase the desired health outcomes with reduced costs. There are numerous aspects of quality that can be expanded upon, but there is a need to provide a basic understanding of quality concepts. Each healthcare organization chooses the best quality method and performance tools that will help support the goals of their organization. Thank you so much, everyone, for tuning in to my presentation, and I hope you like it.